how to fix the LED lights. This is the ring light, and it's not working. So basically it was like this. This is the brand name Neewer, and it's got six of these screws here. You guys just take it out from the back with the Phillips screwdriver. So we took that out, and so first, if it doesn't work, you gotta check the connection, if this connection has power or not, and to check to see if this transformer here is working or not. So basically, it's the 110 volt going through this transformer, and the output is 15 volt. So you check it with the Crash. This is the battery tester, set at 15 volt, and you just plug in the positive and negative. So as you can see, it is good. Again, take that out at 0. Now I touch the negative, and it shows that it's good. So there's power going through this cord here. Now the other thing you do is you plug it in to the light. So this is the connection here to the light, and you gotta also test to see if this wire here is good or not. Sometimes this connection here is no good. So you test the this is positive, which is the brown wire. So you can see if there's power, then the needle would go to green. So that shows that there is power going through this wire here. So if you can't touch this wire here at the board, then you just create a little cut in the wire to expose the metal wire, and touch that with the positive, and then touch the negative here. As you can see that it's good. So that means this controller here doesn't work. So as you can see, if I were to bypass this controller, so if I were to bypass the controller here and touch these two lines together, it should light up there. So it's the controller that is malfunctioning. So one way would be to change this controller, but I would just cut this wire and then just connect them together. So what we do is just pull out this knob here, and that way you can take out this controller here. And then what you do, you will you can strip this wire here, tie all these wires together. So this was the controller before. So all the wire is connected to this controller, except for this brown wire. So you just basically tie every wire together that's connected to this controller before. So once you connect them together, twist them together tightly, you can turn it on. Okay. So once all these wires tie together, you can use this to cap it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please hit a like and subscribe. Thank you.